Alright guys, today I'm just showing you the firing order and the cylinder order. This is for a Mercedes. It is a W203. It is a C240. So guys, I went to the computer right here guys. It's telling me guys I have a misfire on cylinder 3. So guys, I'm just going to show you today the cylinder order of a Mercedes, the V6, and then how to guys go around it. So guys, let's do it. So guys, first thing first, you open the hood, and then once that is done, you come to the front of your engine guys. So this is our engine. This is a 2003 guys. So what we do guys, we take out this cover. So you just pull it up like that, you pull it like that. This one comes out of the way. And once that is done guys, we take out these air ducts. We just put it to the side because we want just to remove this right here. And guys, we take out these clips right here, and then to just take our cover out like that. And then just guys, take your time, you pull it out of the way. And guys, with this out of the way guys, we see the engine inside guys. So this is how our engine looks like without the cover. So guys, we see we have two parts here. There's this part right here, and then guys, there's this part right here. So guys, first things first, this part right here guys is bang one. Bang one guys is on the left side when you're standing from the front of the engine. Right here is bang one, and then this right here guys is bang two. So guys, the cylinder order of the Mercedes is gonna start from this left side. So guys, this right here is cylinder 1, this is cylinder 2, and then this right here guys is cylinder 3. Then you come to the right side, is this cylinder 4, this is cylinder 5, and then this is cylinder 6 in bang 2. So guys, the firing order for this Mercedes guys is different from the cylinder order, because for this kind of Mercedes 203, the firing order starts from right here. Firing order starts from cylinder 1 and then goes to cylinder 4, and then from cylinder 4 guys, it jumps to cylinder 3 right here, and then guys goes to cylinder 6, and then guys lastly comes to cylinder 2, and then goes to cylinder 5. Alright guys, so I'm just showing you how the firing order. So guys, the firing order is the way you see right here on this paper right here. Is start from number 1, goes to 4, and then goes to 3, then goes to 6, and then lastly 2, and then 5. So guys, this is the firing order location, this is the firing order. That's how the firing order is. So guys, I hope you guys learned something today on firing order, cylinder order, and then the bank of your car. This mostly comes handy when you're changing your oxygen sensors, because it tells you bank 1 or bank 2. And that's guys, is going to really help you as you do your repairs, and also guys as you fix your stuff. Another thing guys, I'm just going to shed light on is bang 1. If you just say oxygen sensor bang 1 before TWC, that means it's the upstream oxygen sensor, and then it says bang 1 after catalytic converter, that means the oxygen sensor which is after. So the same applies to bang 2. So guys, I hope this video really helps you out, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and then guys, if you have any suggestion on what you want to learn, especially on Mercedes, especially in any car guys, you can leave it in the comment section, and the next time guys, if I have access to them, we can do it together and we learn it together. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.